welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Sumaira Anjum, studying first year diploma at Hindu College of Engineering and Technology, and this video is all about how to prepare for basics of computer engineering exam. So my BC sir asked me to make this video and I couldn't resist making it. So yeah, here's the video. I hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first let's discuss about the syllabus and weightage of marks. So basically we have 5 units in the whole syllabus, and from each unit we will get 2 3 marks questions and 2 8 marks questions. 8 marks we will have internal choice, so we can attempt one question out of 2, and coming to 10 marks question is given from second or fourth unit. From any one of the unit 10 marks question will be given. There will be no choice for that. So that's all about the syllabus. Now coming to how I am revising the syllabus is that I have made a running notes throughout the whole year, so I am just preparing that book. And if you have not made the running notes also, don't worry, I have added the PDFs of all 5 units in the description below, so go check out those links and you can just go through the PDFs. When it comes to revision, the word revision itself tells that it is revision. I mean, you're looking at what you have read, you have already read once again. So now you have to concentrate on how you are going to write in the final exam. You have to read according to how you're going to write in the exam. So what I basically do and what I basically suggest is that it is a subject where you can write more number of points on your own, and it's just that you have to be clear with all the concepts. If you know everything in the syllabus, you can just play with the answer. You can also represent your theory with the help of diagrams. Diagrams play a very important role in scoring marks, so for anything and everything I just draw the diagrams. As you can see in the PDF, we have diagrams for different topics. For each and every topic we have something or the other diagram. So diagrams are something which can grab the attention of the paper corrector. They will give good impression for your answer. So when you're writing some theory and then drawing the diagram, it gives good presentation. And don't waste more time in drawing the diagrams. Maintain them short and simple. And when I'm revising, I maintain a rough book beside me so that I can note down some keywords and draw the diagrams wherever necessary. So as you can see, my rough book contains all the stupid things which only I can understand. I've written some important definitions, listed out 8 marks and 3 marks questions, and when I'm revising some big questions, I try to compare between different points. Like as you can see, I've compared the difference between different generations. Noting down points like this helps me to get confidence on that question, and I also can have quick revision before going to the exam. So it's all about going through all the concepts in all the lessons, and once you feel that you have completed the revision, go through the previous year question papers. I've also linked the PDF of BCE previous year question papers. So after completing the whole revision, go through the papers so that you'll understand how your tomorrow's paper is going to be, and mostly the questions which I've given in the previous year papers will be repeated. So you have studied the whole year, so you'll know which questions are important and which are not, and how to revise also you'll have an idea. So just go through everything and let's write the exam with confidence, happily, and let's give our best. So revising the previous year papers can really help you. So that's all I can say, and I hope you all will do the best and will give the best in your exam. So all the best to everyone. Let's just rock in our exam. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. I hope it is helpful. If it is, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You see, making these videos takes up a ton of time, effort, and energy, and subscribing in just 2 seconds can make up my whole day. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.